Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to install Git on Windows 11. Whatever you are a beginner or just setting up a new computer, this tutorial will make it easy for you. So let's get started. Open your browser, default browser, and go to this link. Click here to download. After complete the download, go to the download folder and run it. Press the next button before coming the install up button. Make it default option every time. Now it is start install. After complete the install, click finish. Open a command prompt or PowerShell. Type git / version. Say my git version is 2.5.1.0. If you see any version number, that means your git is installed perfectly in your system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.